Welcome back to Money Smart Basics. I'm Alfonso, and today we're unveiling your 90-day financial reset, designed for the real challenges of 2026. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Most people don't struggle with money because of math, but because they lack a clear, actionable plan. This blueprint is your roadmap to clarity and control, 1 week at a time. Forget vague advice. Let's build real habits and take charge of your financial future. By the end of this video, you won't just have a few helpful tips. You will possess a complete, integrated system to transform your financial life. This isn't about a temporary fix or a short-term diet for your spending. It's about building the skills and habits that will serve you for a lifetime. First, you will learn how to truly manage your money, understanding exactly where every single dollar is going and making conscious decisions about its purpose. This newfound awareness is the bedrock upon which all other financial success is built. You will move from being a passenger in your financial life to being the one firmly in the driver's seat, navigating with a clear map and a specific destination in mind. Next, we will tackle one of the biggest obstacles to wealth debt. This system will give you a strategic approach to pay off your debt, particularly the high-interest kind that can feel like a crushing weight. Simultaneously, we will focus on building your savings, creating a crucial buffer between you and life's unexpected emergencies. You'll have a systematic plan to build a robust emergency fund, providing you with peace of mind and preventing future debt. Then, we will unlock the engine of wealth creation by showing you how to start investing. We'll demystify the process, making it simple and accessible for anyone to begin, regardless of how much money you have to start with. But we won't stop there. A truly comprehensive financial plan addresses both sides of the money equation. You can only cut your expenses so much, but your potential to earn is virtually limitless. That's why a core part of this 90-day reset is focused on helping you actively increase your income. We will explore practical, real-world strategies you can implement right away to boost your earning power, opening up new possibilities for your financial future. This dual approach of optimizing your spending while expanding your income is what accelerates your journey toward your most ambitious financial goals. It's the combination that truly separates the financially successful from everyone else. Ultimately, all of these individual steps combine to serve one overarching purpose: to help you actually build wealth for the long term. This is about more than just paying the bills. It's about designing a life of financial freedom and opportunity. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions, take care of your loved ones, and live life on your own terms. Welcome to week 1. Before you can fix your finances, you need radical honesty. Gather your last 3 months of financial records, bank statements, credit cards, loans, subscriptions. Lay it all out. See the truth. This is the first step to becoming the CEO of your money. Clarity is your greatest ally. Let's get started. Now that you have gathered all your financial statements from the past 3 months, it's time for the next step, the financial autopsy. This is where we dissect your spending and give every dollar a job description. Open a new spreadsheet. Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel will work perfectly. Your task is to go through every single transaction on your bank and credit card statements and categorize it. This might sound tedious, but it is a non-negotiable part of the process. It is how you transform a long list of transactions into meaningful information. We are going to organize your spending into 3 simple, broad categories to keep things clear and actionable from the very beginning. The first category is your fixed expenses. These are the predictable, recurring costs that you have to pay each month to maintain your basic lifestyle. Think of them as the pillars of your budget. This category includes your rent or mortgage payment, which is likely your largest single expense. It also includes utility bills like electricity, water, and internet. Add in your car payment, insurance premiums for your car and health, and your essential grocery bills. Don't forget to include any subscriptions that you consider non-negotiable for now, like your phone bill or a specific software you need for work. These are the costs that are relatively stable month to month. The second category is discretionary spending. This is where things get really interesting. This category covers all the wants rather than the needs. It includes all the choices you make with your money after your essential bills are paid. Be meticulous here. This includes every restaurant meal, every coffee you bought on the way to work, Every movie ticket and every Amazon purchase that wasn't an absolute necessity. It covers money spent on travel, new clothes, gadgets, and hobbies. This is often the area where people are most surprised. Those small purchases, the $5 latte, the $15 lunch, the $20 Uber ride, can add up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars when you see them all listed together. Finally, the third category is debt payments. This category is specifically for the money you are sending to pay down past borrowing, separate from your regular fixed expenses. This is where you will list your credit card payments, especially any amount you pay above the minimum. It includes payments towards student loans and any personal loans you may have. It is crucial to separate these payments because they represent money that is going toward your past, not your present or future. Understanding how much of your income is being consumed by debt is a critical insight that will fuel your motivation to attack it aggressively later in this 90-day reset. Record everything and be precise. After months of tracking, it's time for the truth. Calculate your real monthly spending and savings rate. These numbers reveal your financial reality, often surprising, but empowering. This clarity is your starting point. Next week, we'll use this insight to make real changes. You face the truth. Your journey has truly begun. This week, we're going on offense. Pay yourself first by automating savings and investments. Open a high-yield savings account, set up automatic transfers of at least 5% of your paycheck, and let your money grow before you can spend it. This simple habit is the foundation of wealth building. High-interest credit card debt is the biggest wealth killer. Carrying a balance is like filling a bucket with a hole. This week, get clear on your debt, use a payoff calculator, and call your card company to ask for a lower rate. Automate your payments. You are stopping the bleed. This week, focus on building your $1,000 emergency fund, a crucial financial shield and psychological milestone. Most Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency without debt. Hitting this goal proves you're taking control. This fund is your buffer, a wall between you and life's chaos. Sell unused items, cut expenses, and channel every saved dollar here. It's not forever, but it's your first step to financial freedom. Hitting your first $1,000 milestone is all about focus and momentum. Slash expenses, declutter for cash, and try quick side gigs like dog walking or food delivery. Make it visual, track your progress in a jar or chart, and share your goal with a friend for accountability. Prove to yourself, you can do it. This week, you'll make your first investment, an easy, proven step toward building wealth. You'll invest in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or ETF, giving you instant diversification and long-term growth. Set up automatic investments and let your money work for you. No guesswork, just results. Think investing small amounts doesn't matter? Think again. Consistency and compound growth turn even $100 a month into over $149,000 in 30 years. The real secret isn't a big lump sum, it's sticking to the habit, letting your returns build on themselves. Automate your investments. This is called dollar cost averaging. You buy whether the market is up or down, smoothing out the ride and removing emotion. Your money should work harder than you do. Every dollar invested is an employee earning more for you. Don't let your cash sit idle in a checking account, losing value to inflation. Put it to work in a low-cost index fund. You don't need to be a stock-picking genius, just a disciplined, consistent investor. Real wealth is built slowly, with time and discipline. Start now, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you. You can only cut so much from your budget, there's a limit. But your income, no ceiling. In today's world, growing your income isn't just smart, it's necessary for security and progress. Don't shrink your life to fit your income. Expand your income to fit the life you want. Every extra dollar is fuel. Pay off debt. Invest more. Reach your goals faster. Relying on one job is risky. Layoffs happen, raises lag behind inflation. Learn to generate income, side gigs, new skills, or job changes. It's your safety net and your ticket to freedom. This isn't about working 80 hours a week. It's about being strategic and increasing your value. See yourself as a business. Your skills and time are your products. This week, pick one income growth strategy and take the first step. Option 1. Ask for a raise. Build your case. Document your wins. Research your market value, and schedule the meeting. Option 2. Switch jobs. Update your resume and LinkedIn. highlight achievements, and apply to better opportunities. Option 3. Start a side gig, try freelancing, delivery apps, or flipping items. Just get started and land your first client or task. Option 4. Learn a high-income skill, enroll in a course, start a boot camp, or read a top-rated book. Just begin. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one path and take action this week. The journey to higher income starts with a single focused step. Progress compounds. Just like your investments. Commit, act, and watch your earning power grow. Credit cards aren't evil, they're tools. Used right, they build credit and earn rewards. Used wrong, they bury you in debt. If you struggle with spending, skip credit cards for now. Use debit and focus on building habits. If you're disciplined, put all budgeted expenses on one rewards card. The golden rule. Pay the balance in full every month. No exceptions. This way, you pay zero interest and get perks like cashback or travel points. On-time payments boost your credit score, the key to cheaper loans and better financial options. Credit cards simplify tracking and budgeting when used for planned expenses. Master the tool, don't let it master you. A strong credit score is a powerful asset. Protect it. Your net worth, not your income, is your true financial scorecard. Calculate it. Add up your assets, cash, investments, home, car, and subtract your debts, loans, credit cards, mortgage. Don't worry if it's small or negative. This is just your starting point. What gets measured, gets managed. Tracking net worth keeps your goals in focus. When you pay down debt or invest, you'll see your net worth rise. Create a simple spreadsheet and update it regularly, monthly or quarterly. This habit keeps you motivated and accountable. Over time, you'll see real progress. Celebrate the wins, learn from the setbacks. Your financial future is built one step and one net worth update at a time. It's week 11 of your 90-day reset. You've built momentum, set up systems, and tracked your progress. Now re-audit your finances, check for new leaks, celebrate wins, and adjust where needed. Make sure your automated savings and debt payments are on track. Reflect on your progress. You're building financial mastery, 1 week at a time. Congratulations on completing your 90-day financial reset. You've built habits, systems, and a foundation for lifelong wealth. Brick by brick, day by day. The journey isn't over, it's just begun. Trust your systems, celebrate your progress, and keep walking forward. This is your new baseline. Stay consistent, and wealth will follow. As we conclude this journey, I want to leave you with a final, crucial assignment. I want you to dream bigger. For many people, personal finance is seen through a lens of scarcity and limitation. It's about what you can't do, what you can't afford, and what you have to cut back. After completing this 90-day reset, you have earned the right to change that narrative. Your financial plan should not just be about avoiding debt or saving for a rainy day. It should be a tool that enables you to live a rich, intentional, and extraordinary life. Now that you have control over your money, you can start asking bigger and more exciting questions about what you truly want. What does your ideal life look like 5, 10, or even 20 years from now? Does it involve traveling the world without checking your bank account? Does it mean having the freedom to leave a job you don't love to start your own business? Perhaps it means buying your dream home, funding your children's education without loans, or having the ability to retire early and pursue a passion project. Allow yourself to move beyond the practicalities of a monthly budget and tap into the powerful emotions behind your financial goals. Your money is a tool to design a life you love, not just a life you can afford. Write these big dreams down and make them part of your long-term vision. If this video helped you, and you've put in the work, your journey with us at Money Smart Basics is far from over. Your next logical step is to understand what happens when the foundation is firmly in place. That is why I want you to make sure you watch the next video in our series. What happens after you reach your first $100,000 in net worth? It is designed to guide you through the next phase of your wealth-building journey, where optimization, advanced strategies, and even bigger goals come into play. It's the perfect next chapter in your financial education, building directly on the success you have achieved right here. Thank you for joining me on this 90-day reset. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money Smart Basics for more content to help you build a smarter financial future, and comment the word Apple below, so I know you watched all the way through and are committed to your goals. You have taken a massive step toward changing your life. You've built the system. You've proven you can do it. Now go out and build the future you deserve. I'll see you in the next video. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.